Good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, July 5th. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July here in the States. We had four trades, which were actually Thursday night. Actually closed out the correlation trade early Friday morning, but we didn't trade Friday, and obviously Monday was a holiday. So at those four trades, we pulled out 19.6 pips. There were two pure scalps and a correlation of Kiwi dollar to Aussie dollar. But we'll go over that in a minute. First, just want to talk about the economic news this morning. Factory orders missed. They came in with negative 1%, was worse than expected. It's the longest streak of negative production in the U.S. history, but yet people are telling us how great the economy is. New York ISM employment index fell to 35.9, missing estimates of 44.6. U.S. yields hit fresh record lows on the 10-year to 30-year, and the Swiss yield on the 50-year note actually went negative for the first time in history. What we're seeing is unprecedented in the world of finance. It's just insanity. Blackstone, which we've talked about several times, how they were a huge purchasers of real estate, mostly single-family homes, but they did buy some apartments, buildings as well. They buy them, put a little money, fix them up, and rent them out. They started doing that during the financial crisis when real estate got hit so hard. And we've been saying, well, that was one of the drivers that helped real estate come back. Not just Blackstone, but there were many hedge funds that did it. Blackstone just happened to do it to the tune of $8 billion. Well, they've officially started selling. So it came out this morning that they are going to their people that are renting and offering them to purchase the houses first. If they don't want to buy it, then they're moving on to putting them on the open market. So Blackstone will probably lead other hedge funds in this thinking. So you could expect a lot of pressure on the real estate market going forward. And we've warned about it, so you've had significant amount of time to think about it. Anyways, let's get to the trades. We had, like I said, a correlation between Kiwi dollar and Aussie dollar. We got a signal to go long the Kiwi dollar, which we had about 30% of our normal size, and we correlated it with the Aussie dollar, US dollar by going short, not quite 30% of our normal size. So we want to go short because Aussie dollar is more volatile than Kiwi dollar. So we went short 80% of the 30%, if that makes sense, that we had in New Zealand or Kiwi dollar. So in Kiwi dollar, we were long from 0.71382, sold 0.71775, picking up 39.3 pips, or adjusted for size 11.7. At the same time, we were short Aussie dollar from 0.74495. We covered this set 0.74812, losing 31.7 pips, but adjusted for size 7.6 pips. So overall, let's call it 4.1 pips profit there between in the correlation without taking much risk at all. That's the beautiful part about the correlation. Plus, we didn't want to hold them over the weekend. There could be an event risk or whatever. So we got a chance Friday morning. We were up some money, so we took it. The other trades we had, let me just fix this, was Euro Yen. Whoops. Let's see. Let me try to fix this here. Shorten this up. I'll bring this up here. Okay, so this was two full scalps. Again, we were trading half our normal size because it's the end of the month. So we were short Euro Yen, first time 114.562. Maybe got out of it a little early because we got another signal. We covered 114.493, picking up 6.9 pips. And then we got another signal about an hour later to short 114.483, which happened to work out very fast and very quickly. We covered that 114.397 for 8.6 pips, and you can see what it did. I mean, we had a lot of momentum. If we weren't taking Friday off, maybe we would have held this a little bit longer. Then again, if it wasn't the end of the month, or I should say the beginning of of July, you know, we knowing you have July 4th, we could have held it a little bit longer. But as it is, we picked up the 8.6 there. So overall, like I said, 19.6 on four trades. So we'll take it all day long. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming out. You know, they'll be coming your way if they come out. And we'll do another video tomorrow, assuming we get action tonight and tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your day.